friends, welcome back to my channel. So to make this neon painting effect, so first color the page with black. Now draw your own designs. Now outline the designs with white paint. So I'm drawing rose. You can choose any type of designs. This is just to show how to make neon effect painting. So now I mixed red and white color. So paint it next to white, two sides. For all designs, you can paint like this only. This is just to get neon effect. So both sides of white. So now take red. This is normal red. Now again paint as shown as lines. Not too thin lines. That means not thick, it's medium. So after, take green color, light green color, and paint the leaf and stems. It is not a problem if the lines are too thick. You can set it with darker colors. So now paint leaves also. So now I am taking dark green. So now I am painting stem also. So let it dry for some time. So and done. So you can observe that neon effect. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications whenever I post a video. So see you in my next video.